everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I am revisiting the open cup pour. I haven't done that in quite a few videos, and I really do love the effects of it. But I'm going to change it up a little bit, and I'm going to completely demolish the cells. What I've got in my head is I'm going to do a regular open cup, and then I'm going to take my open cup itself, drag it through the cells, disrupt the cells, so that some of the cells stay there, some of them get stretched out and covered. But then when I tilt, what's going to happen is the cells are going to kind of open back up again. So I just won't have one of those paintings that's just full of cells. It's going to be all over the place, but it's also going to have some nice creative lines in it. That's what I've got in my head. We'll see. All right, let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I am headed back over to the open cup pour. I haven't done one in quite a few videos. I'm resurrecting a color combination that I did in one of my old Dutch pours called Ivy. I did it for a Earth Day collaboration by my good friend Nate Bright. He had asked me to do or be a part of that collaboration. So what I did is I resurrected some of these colors, and we're gonna go from there with an open cup. I thought it'd be kind of cool. So I'll explain the colors as I go. My base coat is going to be titanium white from Amsterdam. This is Floetrol paint, and I thinned it down with water because I want my base coat to be a little bit thinner. What I'm gonna do is I'm making a piece so it will go in the vertical, in the hanging position. Normally I would just put down a little bit of a puddle and start right in on my pour. I think what I'm gonna do today is give myself a little bit of a runway here. All right, so what I've got is a little 16-ounce cup topper, and I'm gonna place it right here in the center of this paint. I'm gonna squiggle it so it touches the canvas. All right, my first color is my Creative Inspirations Payne Gray. This is Liquitex Gloss Medium Paint Floetrol, and I've added some water to thin it down. I'm putting this color first into the white. My next color I'm adding is Amsterdam in Reflex Green. I'm gonna pour up high because I want it to sink below with what I just poured into. Next color is Amsterdam in Turquoise Green. Next color is Soho in the Phthalo Green. Next color is Azo Yellow Light. The last color is going to be Pale Green from Arteza. So the colors are already starting to pop through the white. Perfect, exactly what I wanted. This is great. Now, I am going to circle this around. I'm going to bring it down here. Because what I'm going to do is I am going to end up pulling the cup through the pour. So I'm going to lift up and twist my color around this way. I'm going to add the cup right here into the center. And I'm going to add some more blue. Green. Turquoise. Phthalo. yellow, and pale green. I'm going to bring the cup kind of down and back. Perfect. That's what I wanted to do. I wanted to kind of like disrupt the cells, get some movement through here. Now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna add more white. See what we can do with this. All right, I love this. This is so abstract, really cool. Still kept cells. I kept the, I got some great lines from moving the cup around. I love the negative space, especially up here. It's just cool. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just clean up. I do need to make sure all my edges are covered here. Okay, here we are with the wet result. Check it out. It's so cool. This color combination is really beautiful. And the negative space. I love, it's just not symmetrical, and I love that portion of it. Let me bring you in here, show you up close. Wow. All right, we'll see this one is dry. All right, here we are with the dried result. This really dried beautiful, great color combination, and I'm loving the different areas of negative space. Okay guys, that's it for this video. That is exactly what I was going for. So I was able to keep the cells that came from the open cup itself, but also by dragging the cup through the cells, it disrupted everything here in the center, here, and it just kind of created this wonderful sets of lines that's going through there. I like the negative space too. Everything just dried really, really great. I'm so happy with that. So, really, Sophia? The mailman's here. Anyways, I really like how they kept the negative space. It's not anything that's symmetrical. It's just completely abstract. I like playing with greens and yellows, so that is a great way to see how they translate to you being used in an open cup. Really stretched out great and still maintained some of those small cells, and then stretching it out created some bigger cells. So really happy with this. All right, everyone, that's going to do it today. Thanks for tuning in. I will see everybody on Wednesday. Have a great rest of the weekend. Bye-bye.